Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ying effectively in Rainbow Six Siege. Ying is a powerful attacking operator known for her Candela gadget, which can disorient enemies. She is a 2-speed, 2-armor operator, offering a good balance for pushing objectives. Her primary weapon, the T-95 LSW, provides a large magazine capacity for sustained fire. Mastering her unique abilities will significantly enhance your team's offensive capabilities and secure more victories. Ying's Candela gadget is her signature ability, crucial for successful pushes. You can throw candelas like grenades or deploy them as a cluster charge through soft surfaces. Remember to cook your candelas for about 2 to 3 seconds before throwing them to ensure they detonate immediately upon reaching their target. This prevents enemies from shooting them out. Coordinate with your team to maximize their blinding effect, creating clear entry points for your squad. Ying's primary weapon, the T-95 LSW, is a light machine gun with an 81-round magazine, perfect for sustained fire and suppressing enemies. For close-quarters engagements, her SIX-12 shotgun is an excellent choice. Your playstyle should be aggressive. Use your candelas to blind defenders, then push immediately to capitalize on their disorientation. Always communicate your pushes to your teammates to ensure coordinated entry and secure the objective efficiently. For advanced play, remember that Ying's candelas can also destroy some defender gadgets, like barbed wire, making entry easier. However, be mindful of Yeager's active defense system and Whamai's Magany-Ts, which can intercept your candelas. Coordinate with operators like Thatcher or Twitch to clear these defenses first. Always push immediately after deploying your candelas to take advantage of the blinding effect, giving defenders minimal time to recover and react to your assault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.